You have the previous GoPro model and you don't know if it's worth upgrading. Coming up.
Damn.
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans, welcome back to my channel. It's on everyone's lips. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is the most powerful action camera you can buy, but collectively, its new features don't provide quite enough real-world benefits over its predecessor to justify the price. And if you're new here to my channel, bienvenue! My name is iCeline, I'm a Belgian TV journalist, and learning about those high-tech devices like the GoPro Hero 9 Black is one of my passions. The two biggest upgrades are its new sensor and front display. The new sensor offers 23.6 megapixel sensor. That's quite a jump from the predecessor's 12 megapixel sensor. More megapixel means the Hero 9 Black can shoot 5K video and snap 20 megapixel still images. I know, why shooting in 5K since very few devices or streaming services support anything over 4K, but the extra pixels means you can crop your video and still end up with 4K footage. And because GoPro offers a huge field of view, you can crop and still have a wide angle if you want to. The downside is that you're limited to 30 frames per second in 5K, whereas in 4K you can shoot 60 frames per second. It means that if you want to use some slow motion, you better stick to 4K. The other downside with shooting at 5K is that most mobile devices aren't capable of playing it, so there's no previewing in the mobile app. You'll have to download the footage to your laptop or desktop. The Hero 9 is larger in all dimensions and heavier than its predecessor, though not noticeably heavier. It also fixes one major flaw in the Hero 8's design. The lens cover is now replaceable should you scratch it. A great benefit is its electronic stabilization. The Hero 9 Black provides Hyper Smooth Boost, GoPro's strongest stabilization in all shooting modes, something you also need to know before changing models. If you're upgrading from an older Hero model, your extra batteries won't work with the Hero 9. Now, about the front screen. If you've been using a GoPro for a while, you've likely figured out how to point it at yourself so that you're centered in the shot. Maybe it took a while for you to get used to it. Well, with the new screen, it just makes it ridiculously easy now. The screen is not touch enabled, but it's too small for this option anyway. There's a bit of a lag on that front screen when recording or using hindsight mode, which saves the previous 15 or 30 seconds of footage that the camera recorded before you hit the record button. But otherwise, the colors are vivid and the information is clear. On the back, you have a bigger screen compared to the previous models. It's 2.27 inches. It makes navigating the menus easier. The on-screen buttons are slightly bigger too. And because it's bigger, viewing your videos on the camera itself is a little more enjoyable. On one side of it, there's a weird latch-looking piece. GoPro calls this drain mic and explained that it is designed to drain itself after the camera is submerged, which could make clearer audio when you're coming out of water. Let's see now the differences between the footage of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the new GoPro. Let's see now the difference between the footage of the GoPro Hero 7 Black and the latest GoPro. Ah, j'ai pas regardé si c'était linéaire. Je vais regarder. Ah, fuck. Ça va? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews, tutorials and fun. They sound similar, right? But the latest GoPro has a background wind reduction and your voice is loud and clear. Loud and clear, yes! Loud and clear, my friend! Now let's film in 5K with the GoPro Hero 9 and let's see the difference with the GoPro Hero 7 Black in 4K. If you're watching this video on your smartphone or a small screen, you might not see a big difference, but if you watch it on a 4K TV screen, you'll notice the difference. Oh, and a very sweet feature, the horizon lock that we don't have on the GoPro Hero 8 or 7 Black. Look how awesome it is. With the 9, the horizon stays leveled and flat. Let's see some slow motion shots. So that's weird. The GoPro Hero 9 has a great stabilization, but look at the quality of the footage compared to the GoPro 7. I'm not convinced by the quality of the slow motion on the latest GoPro. Now, let's make some photos. Auto HDR is enabled. What do you think about the photos? Let's talk about it in the description down below. So, will you need the GoPro Hero 9 Black? Is it important to get rid of your old GoPro model? Well, if you have the GoPro 8 or 7 and you're happy with it, the quality of your footage, for whatever purpose you're using it, I don't see why you should change. The Hero 9 is more expensive, $449, that's $50 more than the Hero 8 started at, and $200 more than DJI's Osmo Action. What do you think about the latest GoPro? Let's have a chat in the comment section down below. If you want to see me for more reviews, tutorials and fun, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you very soon. Take care. Salut!